Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. A day earlier, the Russian parliament approved a bill to target punishment to crimes for such as desertion, damage to military property, and insubordination if they are committed during military mobilizations or combat situations. According to a copy of the legislation seen by Reuters, voluntary surrender will become a crime for Russian military personnel punishable by 10 years in prison. Reservists will be financially incentivized and be paid like full-time professional service who make much more money than the average Russian wage. That may make the proposition more attractive for some men in the province where wages are traditionally lower than in big cities. Western military analysts have been queried with Russia's enough military command and headquarters after it lost in Ukraine, as well as enough experienced military trainers to properly prepare and deploy the forces. Moscow said thus, Western military analysts are divided on whether partial mobilization is too little too late to alter the course of the war in Moscow favor. Most say they think it is too late, but a few said could help Russia in some ways, so not immediately and not conclusive. The mobilization announcement appears to have caused panic among some potential rebels. When flags out of Russia were selling out fast on Wednesday, according to ticket sales data, and there were unverified media reports of some men being turned back by Russian border guards. Jail opposition politician Alexei Navalny predicted on Wednesday that many men will try to dog the draft. Activists from the Vesna or Spring anti-war coalitions called for Russians to protect against the mobilization announcement as early as Wednesday evening in city and town centers. Such protests are likely to be broken up by the authorities. Under Russia's law, only demonstrations sanctioned in advance by the authorities remain legal. This mobilization means that thousands of Russian men, our fathers, brothers, and husbands, will be thrown in the midst grinder of war. Vesna said in a statement that the war will really come to every home and every family. Small protests broke out in some Russian cities on Wednesday. Zelensky's military initiative clearly belongs to Ukraine by Reuters. Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky, speaking on a video address released early on Wednesday, said the situation on the front line with Russians force clearly showed the initiatives belong to Ukraine. Zelensky made him comments a day after Russians installed leaders in a COVID reservoir. Ukraine said plans for referendums on joining Russia, a move that college press the war. This is not above Russia's potential to mobilize 300,000 more troops, defense names jump. President Vladimir Putin of Russia resists a national address Wednesday, partial mobilization of additional troops and effectively doubling down on his commitment to resist especially military operations in Ukraine, and that what will be the country's first mobilization since World War II. Putin called up additional soldiers and reiterated his aggressive stance against Ukraine and its Western allies, claiming Russia is revolting against the collective West. Putin further bullets speculations over his potential use of funds or speculation over his potential use of nuclear weapons, saying Russia is ready to use all means at its disposal to protect the country, its people, and the territories it claims. This is not a bluff. During address, Putin also voiced his support for recently announced reverse dams in sub-territories. Multiple Russian-controlled areas scheduled votes on breaking away from Ukraine and joining Russia. The move, while restricted in the West, follows a string of Ukraine's recent battle with advance. In early September, the country launched a comprehensive operation, recapturing multiple major cities and Russia's occupied territories and burying over 6,000 square kilometers of its territory, according to President Vladimir Zelensky. Maybe that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.